How to fix File Explorer not responding or working on Windows 10 or 11. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go and show the steps on how we can fix if the File Explorer is not responding. Well, you can try restarting the process through Task Manager, updating Windows or clearing Files Explorer's history. So first you want to open up your Start button and you can open up Task Manager. You can also head directly by entering Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. And once you open up Control Manager, you want to head here. Under the Processes tab, you want to open up File Explorer and you want to close it, right? If it is opened up, you want to look for it. Now, the next step is you want to open File Explorer options from the menu. So you want to searching File Explorer here. See here, File Explorer options, you want to open it up. Once you open it up, what you want to do is you want to simply, in the General tab here, you want to click Clear File Explorer History and proceed to clear it and apply it, and you're good to go as well. If this still doesn't fix the issue, you want to open Command Prompt as Administrator and type here, so let me show you, CMD. You want to run as administrator, right? Then here you want to type in SFC space slash scanner, SCANNO, scanner, and you want to hit enter and wait for the scan to complete and follow any on-screen instructions. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.